Do you ever think to yourself, man, I love my sport bike, but I really want to do some more road tripping. I wish I could carry just a bit more stuff with me. But then you look at the prices of this stuff and you realize, I guess I'll have to give up on this entire hobby because that's ridiculous. I have an easy and cost-effective solution for you. These are saddlebags for a dog. These are for hiking or camping with your dog, for a large dog. These things are like 30 bucks plus some bungee cords. Holds a huge amount of stuff. I could pack anything I'd possibly need on here. It's got straps on tops for more stuff. This thing is literally 30 bucks all in, and you can get more saddle space, more storage than a $500 stock bag case would get you anyway.